Hello, my name is Riley Rafferty, and I'm giving this presentation on March 2nd, 2026. In this presentation, I'm summarizing the 2018 article titled Genetics-Based Methods for Agricultural Insect Pest Management by Alfie and Bonzo. This article describes how genetic technologies can be used to control insect pests in agriculture as an alternative to chemical pesticides. Agricultural insect pests cause major crop losses worldwide and are traditionally controlled with harmful chemicals. These chemicals can cause harm to non-target species, contaminate ecosystems, and lead to pesticide resistance in insect populations. With all of these problems, scientists have developed genetic-based pest control management. This involves altering and managing insect populations using genetic techniques rather than chemicals. The article explains how these genetic techniques work along with the risks and the benefits. The author discusses several pest management strategies. One example is the sterile insect technique, where sterile males are released in large numbers, so when mating happens, offspring do not. This ultimately helps to reduce the insect population. Another method includes using genetically engineered insects that carry suppressive or lethal genes. When these insects reproduce, the bad gene spreads and ultimately decreases the population due to lethality. Field trials and models show that these methods significantly reduce pest number and crop damage. These techniques can be more species-specific, only targeting the pest species. This ensures there is reduced harm to other beneficial insects and the environment. The authors also make note of the challenges, including ecological uncertainty, evolution of resistance, and the need for careful monitoring. The article concludes that genetics-based pest management has a strong potential to be a sustainable agricultural tool. These methods could reduce reliance on chemical pesticides, lower environmental impact, and lead to greater crop production. However, there is emphasis on needing careful evaluation for ecological safety, effectiveness, and there also needs to be public acceptance before widespread use. Personally, I don't agree with using GMO-based pest control. Although the article presents promising results, I'm concerned about the long-term effects, such as causing unintended harm to non-intended species. I also think that public trust and acceptance are very important, and using genetically modified insects could cause serious social and ethical challenges. While these genetic approaches are innovative, I believe that more cautious and careful evaluation needs to be done before using them as a major tool in agricultural pest management. Overall, the article argues that genetic pest control methods offer a safer and better alternative to chemical pesticides. But in order for it to work, they must be implemented carefully with lots of scientific oversight. But thank you, and this is my presentation on genetic modification of pests for management in agriculture.